Hello. Today we will speak about Mentimeter. Mentimeter is an interactive presentation. It's a combination of Kahoot and PowerPoint. Here in the middle we will see the screen of the teacher which is projected, and here on the right we will see our students' phones. Students can join the presentation just by scanning the QR code or writing the code number in menti.com. They don't need to download anything or have an application. Here in Mentimeter, we will have theoretical slides and some questions, collaborative questions. Let's see the first question. On the screen, we see the question and all our students see the same question. Here, we can type the answer for the first question and submit it. Later, when teacher will see that all the students answered, because here we will have number of students, we can move to the next slide. The next option is to use quiz mode. What does it mean? That we will have questions for quiz and our students need to join the quiz with their names, nicknames. In the end, we'll have the leaderboard. You will see different type of questions for quiz. Let's see the first one. The question is projected on the screen and on our student's phone. Okay, we'll see the question and we can type the answer. Again, when we know that all the students answered, we can move to the next question. And as we use Mentimeter as just a presentation, here we will have another question and to see some ideas of our student and to move to another one. Here you see that sometimes students are at the previous slide. That's why we can go to the next slide of our teacher and answer the second question of our quiz. And here we will have another type of question, which means that when our students will answer, they will see that answer is incorrect. Why? Because these questions encourage us for a discussion. For example, the question is, what are carbon sinks and how can we support this? That's why here, of course, we cannot put the correct answer for everyone. That's why after the question, we will see that there are no correct answers and it encourages students and teachers for the discussion, and you can choose which one do you prefer, if it should be the only answer or we can use all the ideas of our students for the topic. Here we'll have the part just of the presentation with some information and theoretical slides, of course with some pictures. We can add charts for the discussion, and as you can see we have our topic from the platform. Our students also can collaborate and put us some likes, and we will see that they like the presentation or they just want to show something. Also we can ask the questions like this. Moving to the next topic, we will see the task. The task is to watch the video and write down as many things from the video as you can remember for the question. Firstly, we will see the video. Your students can watch it on your phone and you can project it on the screen. Of course, we will not watch the video now, but later after the video, we will have the third question of our quiz. And again, the question is just share your answers. Why? Because everyone will see the answers on the screen and later we can discuss it, what they watched and what they remember from the video. Why do you use these questions and this presentation? Because it encourages students to answer because the answers are anonymous. We don't know who wrote it. That's why maybe more students will start to collaborate and put their words and they will join the discussion, maybe if they are too shy to speak out loud in the class. And here again, we can have a discussion after this question. And after all these three questions of our quiz, we have a leaderboard. As now we have only one student, of course, we have the first place and the winner. But in general, when we will have more students, we will see another leaderboard. And this presentation is finishing with a quote of James Hansen: adding CO2 to the air is like throwing another blanket on the bed. Here you can have a discussion or just finish your presentation. What are main benefits of using Mentimeter in the classroom? Firstly, it's super interactive and collaborative form of presenting the topic and asking questions for your students. It can be used for formative assessment, just to have an ongoing feedback. Feedback for you as a teacher and for your students. Why? Because students can see their strengths and weaknesses where they need to work more, and for teachers the same. He or she can understand if topic is clear or they need to explain it better or more. Also, it could be a challenge for students to create their own Mentimeter presentation for their classmates to present the topic and also to ask the questions. Inside of the presentation, you can use different type of questions, different type of slides, and create your perfect classroom and interact with your students as much as you want. Thank you for watching and see you in next videos.